we have another newer tier model of the 4045 and 6068 pistons. They do take the same cylinder kit and bearings, just the gasket sets. And again, it is a 2-valve with common rail, considered the Powertech E engine. There's quite a few different models that are offered by Deere to go into different applications. The ones that we have now are for more popular in the machine type applications. There's a lot of different generator applications that some of the other ones go into. And then just to give you an idea, for the 4045 kit that we have, these are the applications, and all of these are construction machines. There's a pretty decent chunk of just power units that go into all kinds of applications, generators, just all kinds of stationary type applications that those power units are in. And then you will see there is a pretty good chunk of ag tractors. These would be your smaller ones. And then a couple of other ag applications. And then on the 6068, you'll see kind of the same thing. There's a pretty good chunk of construction type equipment. This one used in some of the forestry equipment. And then again, your power units, and then another good chunk of ag applications. This isn't just an ag type engine. It's used in a lot of different machines. And out of the range we have cataloged 1,147 different machine applications. So this is in a lot of equipment worldwide. Yeah, they get the horsepower range and the size of those engines, compact design, wide range of horsepower and torque that they adjust them to. So yeah, they're in thousands of machines.
And this set is for 6.7 liter engines of CM2450 application. So this is the lower set for that application. You can see the components there. And this engine uses a modular rocker cover gasket that includes the wiring harness. So those are quite expensive gaskets, as you can imagine. We have a new Cummins ISX Re-Ring Kit. This is an older application, non-EGR engine. So it's got the liners, the bearings, and the gaskets to do a re-ring, non-EGR applications. So the first item I'll talk about is a new QSK liner kit. This kit is different from our normal QSK liner offering in that it's a high boron alloy liner, which makes it a little bit harder. This liner is used for steel piston applications, and you can see that it's used in common rail engines.
This is the late model XPI injector. Of course, comes as a kit with the fuel connector also. This part number, the 4237147, is the injector. But this 557-9421 is definitely the popular kit, and this part number is by far the most popular part number.
Yeah, so this is a new newer style pump for X15 applications.